Hello everyone! Welcome to I Love Math. Sa video na ito, we will discuss inductive and deductive reasoning. Our objectives in this module, we will able to distinguish between inductive and deductive reasoning. Then, we use inductive and deductive reasoning in an argument. What is reasoning? In mathematics, reasoning is the ability to draw logical conclusions based on the evidences or stated assumptions. Etong reasoning will be helpful in evaluating situations, selecting problem-solving strategies, drawing logical conclusions, developing, describing, and applying the situation. Meron tayong dalawang types of reasoning. Ito yung inductive and the deductive reasoning. In inductive reasoning, it takes specific examples to make a general rule. While sa deductive naman, kabaliktaran sila. Sa deductive reasoning, it takes general rule and it uses it to take a more specific examples. So, dito sa inductive, it is reasoning which involves reaching for patterns and making generalization. So, based on the specific examples, makakagawa ka ng general observations mo or general conclusion mo. Meron tayong dalawang or tatlong types ng inductive reasoning. Merong visual patterns, number patterns, and the conjectures. So, sa visual patterns, meron tayong example. Kung makikita ninyo, yung figure natin, figure number 1, merong 1 box. Figure number 2, 3 boxes. Figure number 3, 5 boxes. So, merong 1, 3, and 5. Ano yung nakikita ninyo na pattern? Dito, makikita natin, ito yung 1, ito yung number 2, number 3. Sa 1 example, sa first figure, merong isang box, tatlong box, and 5 boxes. Ito yung consecutive odd numbers. 1, 3, and 5. Consecutive odd numbers. So, makikita natin na makakakonclude tayo na ang fourth figure ay 7 boxes. Kasi consecutive odd numbers sila 1, 3, 5. So, ang kasunod ay 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Number 2 example. Meron tayong tatlong figure. Figure number 1, una ang blue, green, yellow, and red. Number 2, red, blue, green, and yellow. Number 3, yellow, red, blue, and green. So, ang pattern na makikita mo ay pasunod siya yung kanyang color, pero umikot lang siya. Umikot lang. Bababa si yellow, aakyat si red. Then sa third figure, bababa si red, then aakyat na naman si yellow. So, makakakonclude tayo na sa fourth figure, bababa na naman si blue, aakyat si green. So, our answer is letter bababa si blue, aakyat si green. It's letter B. So, example number 3. First figure natin, isang bilog, pangalawang figure, dalawa, pangatlo, 4. Anong pattern nakikita ninyo? Ang pattern na nakikita natin is, in each preceding figure, magdo-double ang figure natin, ang object natin. So, first figure isa, pangalawa is dalawa, so, nag-double siya. Then, Pangatlong figure, ang dalawa nag-double is 4. So, pang-apat na figure, makakonclude tayo na mag-double ang 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so the answer is letter D. So, number patterns na naman tayo. So, example number 1, we have 5, 10, 15, and 20. Ano yung pattern na nakikita ninyo? Etong mga numbers na to ay multiples of 5. So, 5, 10, 15, 20. Ang kasunod ay 25. Next example, 27, 24, 20, 21, 18, 15, and 12. Ano yung pattern na nakikita ninyo? Ito yung multiples of 3. Pero, decreasing siya. Multiples of 3, decreasing siya. 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, and 9. So, last, example number 3 sa visual pattern natin. 1, 2, 4, 1, tapos 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and 21. Ano yung nakikita ninyo na pattern? Sa magkasunod na number, before yung next number, ay ina-add yung dalawa. Ina-add yung dalawang number. Katulad nito, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then, eto na naman, ang preceding nitong 3 is itong dalawang number. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then, preceding ng 5, itong dalawang number. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then, preceding ng 8 is 3 plus 5. So, 8. Then, 13 is 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Then, 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. So, ang last natin na dalawang number is 13 plus 21 is equal to 34. So, 34 yung answer natin. So, dito naman tayo sa conjectures. Conjectures, it is a conclusion or proposition which is considered to be true due to some preliminary evidences. So, galing sa mga nakikita mo or na-experience mo na mga ebidensya na makakagawa ka ng conclusion. Yun yung tinatawag na conjecture. We have an example number 1. Last week, my English teacher gave an easy quiz. Then this week, my English teacher gave again an easy quiz. Therefore, I conclude that next week, my English teacher will give an easy quiz. So, base dun sa mga naranasan mo, makakagawa ka ng conclusion na next week, magbibigay na naman si teacher ng madaling quiz. Okay, example number 2. My math teacher is strict. The math teacher of my sister is strict. The math teacher of my mother is strict. So, what can you say about all math teacher? We can conclude that all math teacher are strict, which is not true. So, pero, base sa mga experience ng mother mo, ng sister mo, makakakonclude ka na lahat na ng math teacher ay strict. Sa conclusion natin, or dito sa conjecture, hindi kailangang totoo yung conclusion mo. Pero, nakabase lang yon doon sa mga na-experience mo or nakikita mo. Okay. Dito na naman tayo sa pangalawa, the deductive reasoning. It is a reasoning which is considered as valid form of proof. Most of the geometric proofs are written using deductive reasoning. In this type of reasoning, people make use of the conclusion based on the previously known facts. So, ito yung tinatawag na general to specific. Base doon sa general rule, makakagawa ka ng specific examples. So, deductive reasoning. It includes hypothesis and conclusion. So, naalala niyo yung sa lesson natin na if-then statement. Meron doong reasoning as hypothesis and conclusion. So, what is hypothesis? Review natin. States the given facts that are assumed to be true. It is a statement which is accepted or known as the beginning. So, yung conclusion naman is what needs to be proven or established. It is usually drawn from the hypothesis. So, example natin sa deductive reasoning. Obtuse angles are angles whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180. Ito yung general rule or ito yung definition ng obtuse angles, di ba? Ito yung dalawang angle na ang measure ay, ang angles na measure greater than 90 but less than 180. So, makakagawa tayo ng example. Angle A and angle B measures 105 and 137 respectively. Therefore, angle A and angle B are obtuse angles. Base doon sa definition. Okay, number 2. Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. Ito yung definition ng quadrilateral. So, square have 4 sides. Therefore, square is a quadrilateral. Example number 3. Wearing face mask and face shield protects you from the spread of COVID-19 virus. When going outside, Ella always wear face mask and face shields. Therefore, Ella is safe from being infected of the virus. Ito yung specific examples. General to specific. So, inductive, summarize natin, inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning takes specific examples to make general rule. Uses patterns or sequence and order. Then, uses example to make general statements. It uses also experiences to make an assumption. Ito yung conjecture. While deductive reasoning takes general rule and uses it to make a more specific examples. Uses general information as basis for conclusion. And is judging by logical progression. So, dito na tayo sa ating exercises to check kung may natutunan kayo o wala. So, determine the types of reasoning shown on each statement below. So, number 1, i-pause muna itong video na to, then answeran ninyo. Kumuha kayo ng papel at ballpen. Answeran ninyo from 1 to 5. Then, i-pause, i-play mo yung video, then, sabay-sabay natin answeran yung exercises natin. Number 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. So, the next number is, so malalaman natin na ito ay pattern. So, ito ay inductive reasoning. Number 2, all birds lay eggs. Eagles and hawks are birds. Therefore, so malalaman natin na ito ay from general, all birds lay eggs. So, ito ay deductive. Then, number 3, figure siya. So, malalaman natin na pattern siya. So, ito ay inductive. Then, smoking can cause cancer. So, ito ang general rule. Thomas is smoking. So, ito na, ibig sabihin, ito ay deductive. So, every time Anne visits her doctor, she receives excellent services. With that, she believes that, so, ibig sabihin, experiences, from her experiences, nakaka-conclude siya. So, ibig sabihin ito ay. So, kumusta ang score ninyo? Kung 5 out of 5, congratulations. Ibig sabihin may natutunan kayo sa lesson natin ngayon. So, yun lang. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa susunod na lesson natin. Thank you and bye-bye.